Hello friends, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the always headlamp on feature in your BS4 models. So the tools you will require is an Allen key of I guess 6 mm, a switch for operating the light on off switch, and a star screwdriver. So first we need to remove this screws. The next thing is, after opening the clamps, you need to just fix it over here to the handlebar on off switch. As you can see, this is the wire. Now with an 6 mm Allen key, you just need to remove these 4 bolts.
चार खोल दिया था जबरदस्त.
So after removing these 4 bolts, you just need to pull up the headlight assembly and just pull it away from the bike. As you can see, we have a connector over here which has 3 terminals, 1, 2, 3. So this top one was this terminal, so we just need to connect a switch between this wire and I got a other wire which connects to the low beam. So this is the low beam wire which I have taken it from over here, which was this one. So we just need to put a switch between this and this. You have seen, guys. Then you just need to connect the wires from the switch, which are two wires, to this one which is coming from the low beam, that is the top one, and this is the which was connected before, that is the stock one. We are just breaking the circuit. So as you guys can see, after these 2 wires have been connected, then you just need to, as you can see, this is on off position. When you start the bike, the light is not coming. As soon as you open the switch, the light is coming. Switch off, light is gone, and the pass and the high beam will be working. Just the low beam has a broken circuit like this. AHO turned off with this switch. If you want to turn on the AHO, you just need to put it on the on position. Pass is working, high beam is working, pass is also working. As you can see, even the engine is on.